Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. He coming with another cool product. This is from ThinkTankPhoto.com. It's the Stand Manager 52. This thing is pretty darn amazing, and I got to tell you, just as a personal statement from me, we use the Think Tank Photo gig bags in all of our different travels that we do. Love their bags. I've been using them for about, I think, 5 to 6, 7 years. These bags kick butt, and about all the reviews that we've done on all the different bags that are out there on the marketplace, it seems we love these the most. So that being said, this thing is a giant stand manager. This is made for your studio photographers with their heavy lighting stands, and makes it easier to transport with them and protect everything, your car, your fingers, when you're moving them around. It's a rolling case that's an ideal solution for storing and transporting stands of any kind. It's got crush resistance ABS twin wall, which provides end-to-end reinforcement protection. It's got oversized shock absorbing wheels that roll smoothly and hold up under the toughest conditions. And I can attest to this because I've abused the crap out of the wheels. Sometimes I've taken my airline rage out on my bag wheels for my Think Tank Photo travel camera bags. And they have stood up to the abuse. I'm really surprised I haven't broken one now, either accidentally or on purpose. 52 inches of internal height for all those extra large modifiers or gel rolls. It's got multiple tie-down straps to secure your stands inside of the bag so they don't bang around. That's always good to have. Expands and contracts to fit your gear. It's got 4 exterior handles for easier lifting and loading from any different angle of the bag. Built tough with the highest quality materials and fuse zippers, 168 0D ballistic nylon and ABS twin wall reinforcement. And these guys just built high quality stuff, from the zippers to the bags. They just take a beating like nothing else. Large interior pocket at the bottom for umbrellas or small modifiers. Roomy interior for a few sandbags. Rear skid rails and tall wheel housings allow you to load and unload from a vehicle with ease. Reinforced bottom panel holds up to heavy stand abuse. Clamshell opening gives an encumbered access to gear. Lockable zippers, lock not included. It's pretty cool with the lockable zippers. Just plug those babies together and away you go. And user replaceable wheels and hardware. This thing is pretty darn awesome. It will hold up to 4 turtle-based C stands, multiple traditional light stands or modifiers up to 52 inches long. This thing is pretty freaking crazy. 54 inches height, 12.5 in width, 4.5 to 8 inches deep, and yeah, man, just a crazy unit. And I think you'll like it when you check it out. It does a great job for everything that it possibly can do, and after testing it, it's just great as all the Think Tank photo bags that we see out there in the marketplace. Be sure to check it out. Tell them Chris Voss sent you, the Stand Manager 52. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.